Bitcoin got rejected at this exact Fibonacci level, guys. I'm going to show you exactly why this is so significant at this specific time. And yeah, right now Bitcoin is taking a breather, trading between two very important levels, and if Bitcoin were to break the below support right here, we definitely could see a further drop in the price of Bitcoin. Then guys, Chainlink right now is forming a ascending triangle and is most likely going to break out right here in the next days, or might even see a breakout today. And guys, we are going to have a look at Ethereum as well, as right now, yeah, we are backtesting former resistance as the new support. So guys, all about that in today's video. With that being said, my name is Jeroen. Welcome to the Blockchain Today, the channel where you subscribe for daily crypto videos. Right now guys, let's jump into the Bitcoin chart. But before we are zooming into the Bitcoin chart, let's take with every single one of us 1 single minute, scroll below this video and hit the thumbs up button. Lately, you guys are doing such an amazing job right here on the channel. We are getting so much engagement, guys. It provides me with a lot of energy when I'm seeing that. And it also really does help out the channel to push this video to as much people as possible. But okay, guys, let's dive into the Bitcoin chart right here. And guys, for the ones that haven't seen my video, my second video I've uploaded yesterday, where I show you a live trade and the thought process which is actually going on behind that trade. And I'm talking a little bit about a certain strategy which you can apply if you, for example, have your biggest part of your portfolio in Bitcoin. So for every single one of you who hasn't seen my video yesterday, you can go over to my channel, or the video will pop up right now on top of the screen, and yeah, go have a look at that video. So guys, in the Bitcoin chart, we have been drawing a resistance zone, right? We have a very clear horizontal resistance level that is right here at approximately 37,600, but yeah, we have some important levels above that as well, which are showing some resistance. And guys, that is the reason that we created a zone out of this, and the zone is starting at 37,600 and is going up all the way to the 78.60% Fibonacci level at approximately 38,600. So this is a zone of approximately $1,000. And yeah, right now you can see that Bitcoin is getting rejected from this exact Fibonacci level, and this was also expected. So yesterday I've said, guys, that even though if Bitcoin is looking bullish, it is likely that we are going to see some selling pressure, some resistance from this level, due to the fact that we have just been blasting through the golden ratio Fibonacci level as well without backtesting it as the new support. So that is also something to take in mind. So guys, right here we have an example, right? Bitcoin is just blasting through all these resistance levels, and yeah, finally finds a resistance level, a very significant level, which is causing for resistance, and yeah, the price is coming down as fast as the price actually went up. So when we are seeing such vertical pumps, normally those are not that sustainable. But yeah, right now we can see that after we have seen that drop, Bitcoin is just trying to make another attempt to break this level. Yeah, right now we're still seeing a rejection, and Bitcoin right now is trading between these two very important Fibonacci levels, guys, the 78.60% and the golden ratio below us, the 61.80%. So guys, if Bitcoin were to break out to the downside right here, then that is definitely the more bearish scenario, right? And the next major support right here is the former neckline of this inverse head and shoulders, which is at approximately $34,700. And Bitcoin right now is just trading between these two important Fibonacci levels, the 78.60% and the golden ratio, the 61.80%. And yeah, sooner or later Bitcoin needs to choose a direction, either breaking out to the upside. If we were to break out to the upside, that is definitely very bullish, would invalidate the fact as well that we could be forming a topping formation right here based on the previous topping formations we have been seeing in 2019 and 2017. So that would be a bullish fact as well. And if Bitcoin were to break out to the upside, guys, the next level on the table is of course previous all-time highs at approximately $42,000. But guys, if Bitcoin were to break out to the downside, the next level that I'm watching is 34,700, and this would definitely bring up more caution right here in the price of Bitcoin, because that would still mean that we could be seeing a topping formation right here, and that Bitcoin could see lower levels in the near future. Like I've said in my previous video as well, I do think this is the less likely scenario, but we have to be prepared for every type of scenario, and that's as well the reason why I'm watching this scenario as well. But guys, if you haven't watched my video yesterday, go over there, watch my video of yesterday. I give a better, more detailed explanation what I'm exactly thinking right here in this formation. But yeah, let's just quickly go over it. Right here, if we measure the Fibonacci levels from the top till the bottom right here, then we can see we got rejected 78.60% is a very important level if we have a look at the topping patterns in 2019 and in 2017, because right here from the top till the bottom we can see that this bounce is also not surpassing the 78.60%. And guys, right here we can see it as well in 2017 from the top till the bottom we can see that the bounce right here in the price didn't came above the 78.60%. so in a topping formation, at least when we have a look at the historical price action, this is a very significant level and is showing us that yeah, this level might cause some resistance. So that's as well the reason why I'm watching the 61.80%. If we were to break below this level, then yeah, I'm definitely going to be a little bit more cautious right here in the Bitcoin price. Also due to the fact, guys, if we have a look at the period that we are trading in right now, which is February. February most of the time is a corrective month in the Bitcoin price. And if we have a look at the monthly time frame, then the monthly candle we have been closing in January is also not looking all too bullish with that huge wick above us. But guys, there is as well examples, for example right here, that even though with such a monthly candle, Bitcoin continued this rally in the middle of the bull market. Right now we could be at a similar stage, but that's the reason, guys, why I think in trading it is such important to go over these different scenarios and be prepared for both of them, that if the sentiment or if the scenario is actually changing and the price is not going the way you actually thought it would go, that you have a plan ready, and guys, that you are prepared for either the bullish scenario or the bearish scenario. Then guys, Femix right now has a great bonus going on, and yeah, right now if you sign up on the Femix platform using my affiliate link down below, you can get an additional bonus of $680. Normally that trading bonus would be $600, but if you sign up with my specific affiliate link down below in the pinned comment, you can get a $680 trading bonus. And guys, right now you have 18 days left to take advantage of this bonus. So for everybody interested in that, right now you can sign up on the Femix platform using my affiliate link down below in the pinned comment. Then guys, let's go back to the chart, and I want to show you the following chart, which is Link in the US dollar comparative, because Link is actually looking a lot how Ethereum looked just a couple of days ago before we were trading in a ascending triangle, which is a bullish pattern, right? And right now Chainlink is looking quite similar. We are actually trading in a bigger rising wedge pattern. We have a uptrending support, uptrending resistance in a narrowing pattern, but within this rising wedge pattern we are seeing a ascending triangle, uptrending support, horizontal resistance, and that resistance is lying at approximately $25.50, so 25.5 US dollar. And if we were to break out to the upside, guys, we could be seeing a nice surge in the Chainlink price. And I think the next real resistance, the next major resistance is going to be the uptrending resistance right here, which would be, if we were to break out right now, at approximately $30 US. So guys, from the point of breakout, that would be a nice increase of approximately 20%. So that would be an awesome trade to take, of course, if we are seeing a decisive confirmed breakout. But yeah, these scenarios we are seeing more often, that Ethereum is leading the altcoins. So we are first seeing that breakout in Ethereum, and then yeah, later we are seeing a similar situation, a similar scenario with another altcoin which is following Ethereum, guys. Then guys, let's have a look at Ethereum, and right here we can see it. Ethereum is looking actually quite interesting. We had this rising wedge pattern. Eventually, we had a ascending triangle within this rising wedge. We broke out to the upside. We broke the resistance of the rising wedge as well. We saw a nice surge in the price of Ethereum. Right now, we are coming down, and right now we are testing the former resistance of this rising wedge pattern as the new support, and so far it is looking bullish. So far Ethereum is holding this level, and this is actually quite interesting because that could be a nice opportunity to long. But yeah, there is a clear invalidation as well. If Ethereum were to break below this level, then that would invalidate the strength in the price of Ethereum right now and would show us that most likely we are going to see a bigger pullback before Ethereum is going to continue that uptrend. So guys, the levels that I'm watching right now in the Ethereum chart is the support below us, which is at approximately $1,568 right here, the former resistance of the rising wedge. If we were to break below that level, then we have the next major support, which is the former resistance of the ascending triangle, which is at $1,450. If we were to break below that level, we have the uptrending support of the rising wedge. And yeah, if we were to break below that level, that is actually looking quite bearish, and then we could be seeing a bigger pullback in the price of Ethereum if this scenario were to happen, that we really break the uptrending support of this rising or former rising wedge pattern. Then guys, what are the targets to the upside? Well, Ethereum is just at all-time high territory, right, which means that we are in price discovery, and it's very difficult to see how the price is going to react when the price has never been at a certain level, right? But I think the majority, the most important levels are the more rounded numbers. So right now we are at the 1600 level, and the next major level is going to be 700. The next major level is going to be 1800. But yeah, if Ethereum continues this uptrend, we can definitely some nice gains in the Ethereum chart right here. Then guys, I want to have a quick talk about the macro perspective right here, the regular financial markets. Right now we are looking at the US dollar index, and we are seeing, US dollar index is right now actually quite bullish. Continues this uptrend. It looks like we are forming some form of a reversal right here, and that we are going to see a bounce to the upside. And guys, normally the US dollar index has a inverse correlation with a lot of assets, also with the S&P 500. So let's have a look at the SPX. And guys, when we have a look at the S&P 500, and the S&P 500 is just setting new all-time highs, but I do think, guys, that there will be a transition moment sooner or later in the macro perspective. We are going to see a big correction from the uptrend we have seen so far in the stock market, and the US dollar index chart is confirming this as well, because of that reversal that we are seeing right now, because there's a inverse correlation between the US dollar index and the S&P 500 as well. Makes sense, right? Because normally people are hedging actually in the financial assets because they don't want to lose their value when they are holding US dollars. Makes sense, right? When the US dollar is actually looking bullish, then money is leaving the regular financial markets right here, the S&P 500, going into the US dollar. So this inverse correlation makes a lot of sense. And I think this is an important chart to watch as well when you are trading Bitcoin, because if we are going to see a reversal right here, and we are going to see a bigger pullback, a bigger correction in the S&P 500, then that definitely can have a bearish effect on the price of Bitcoin in the immediate short-term time frame. So guys, I think it is important to put all these signs in perspective. So Bitcoin right now is looking bullish. We are in a bull market. Everybody is also overly bullish. That is also something to think about. But right here in the other charts, we are seeing in the macro perspective something changing, right? Bitcoin could be forming a topping pattern. We could be seeing a reversal in the Dixie chart. And yeah, we could as well see a topping pattern right in the S&P 500, which could mean that the coming month, February, March, could actually be a more corrective month. It is too early to say that right now, guys. So guys, I think it is important that in the markets you are not focused on one direction, so that you don't assume that we're just going to pump higher, right? Although we are in a bull market and things are looking good, but yeah, that you also be prepared, and that you are also standing open as a trader to look at different signals in the market. And guys, if you want to share something about the signals that I'm sharing right here in the videos, let me know in the comment section down below. I'm very curious what you guys think about my analysis. And guys, I hope you can appreciate the fact that I'm trying to give here a objective analysis, because if I look at the performance of videos, then we are most of the time seeing that the more bullish videos, the more positive videos about the price are also doing better, are receiving more likes, are receiving more views. And that is logical, because people, they want to see positive news, of course. And guys, I really understand that, but yeah, right here on the channel, I really try to present to you a objective analysis, which really can help you on your trading, and is maybe also challenging you a little bit to think out of the box and to think different, or to stand open for multiple scenarios right here in the charts. But okay guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed today's analysis. Guys, if you all want to trade over on the Femix platform, right now is a awesome moment to create an account due to this amazing bonus that they are offering. Right now you can get a bonus up to $680 when you use my affiliate link down below in the pinned comment. Then guys, if you like today's analysis, please do make sure that you take that 1 single minute, scroll below this video, hit the thumbs up button. Guys, that is so much appreciated and that is really helping out the channel. So for the ones that haven't seen my second video yesterday, go over there, have a look. It might be interesting for you for your own trading strategy, to give you some insights about my thought process when I'm opening a trade or when I'm applying a certain strategy. Then I want to wish every single one of you an amazing day ahead. For the ones that haven't seen one of my awesome tutorials, you can go over there, have a look, and I will see every single one of you in the next video.